Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare Karte Kismuri or bitter gourd salad. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 to 3 bitter gourd, 1 medium sized onion, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 2 to 3 Kashmiri dried red chili, 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, marble sized tamarind, 1 tablespoon of grated jaggery, and finally some freshly chopped coriander leaf. Firstly, to begin with, chop the top and bottom portion of your bitter gourd and later chop them into equal half. Deseed the bitter gourd and further chop this into small pieces as shown in the video. Next, take a mixing bowl and transfer the chopped bitter gourd into it and add salt as per taste and give everything a good mix. Now allow the marinated bitter gourd to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes before further use. After about 20 to 30 minutes of resting, we can see that the bitter gourd has started to give out water. Squeeze the excess water out of the bitter gourd and later deep fry this. For deep frying, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, transfer the chopped bitter gourd in batches and deep fry this until it turns crisp and golden brown. Make sure to deep fry in low to medium flame and occasionally keep stirring this so that it gets uniformly cooked. Once your bitter gourd turns nice and crisp, transfer this into a plate with tissue paper topped on it so that it can absorb any excess oil if there is any. Next, take a medium sized onion and chop this finely. Now set this aside and next take a tempering pan and into that add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, dried red chili, coriander seed and roast this until the coriander seeds turn aromatic and the dried red chili turns into a little darker shade. Next, to prepare the ground masala, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the freshly grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind, jaggery, and the previously roasted mixture and grind this coarsely. Make sure not to add any water while doing this. Next, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the previously deep fried bitter gourd, chopped onion and the prepared ground masala paste and give everything a good mix. If required, you can add little extra salt at this stage. Since I did not feel the need of it, I have not added. Now your delicious Karte Kismuri is ready. The prepared quantity serves about 1 to 2 adults and this is an excellent side dish which goes along with rice. The same recipe can be prepared with surno or yam also. The recipe of the same is there in the top right corner of your screen or in the description box. Do not forget to garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaf before serving. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.